Hey, give me my bike back, man! Fuck, look at that line.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Holy shit.
For an August storm. You got power back where you are?
Oh yeah. Well, be careful anyways, buddy.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Hey, Paul Bunyan!
Who would have thought? In August.
Holy shit. That is fucked. Pardon my French. This might end up on YouTube. Well, we're on Zero Avenue. This is Canada on one side and the United States on the other. I was going to White Rock. I guess I'm turning around. Have a good day.